Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the database uses in no DB and matching char sets so referential integrity works. Create clear primary keys on each table and add a foreign key column in the child table. Once done, add an index to the FK column so joins run fast. You can run create table with constraint and references to enforce the relationship. Make sure to check column data types match exactly. Mismatched types cause FK creation to fail and lead to confusing errors. You now write the queries that combine the tables. Start with an inner join to get matching rows, then try left join to include unmatched parent rows when needed. Use explicit on clauses matching PK equals FK. This makes intent clear and prevents accidental cross-joins. Once done, run explain to inspect the query plan and add or adjust indexes accordingly. Also, test with limit and realistic data volumes so you know the join performs under expected load. You finish by adding appropriate on delete and on update rules to control cascade behavior and prevent unexpected data loss. Run validation queries that compare counts and look for orphaned FKs using not exists. This confirms integrity. If the foreign key creation fails, make sure data types match exactly and no orphan rows exist, then retry. When performance issues remain, consider composite indexes or query refactoring, and always rerun, explain after each change to verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.